Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Pen X tutorial how to make outline. So for example, I will create a circle, creating it, and then I will fill with this bucket tools. Now if you want to make outlines in this object, you can go to filter tools. After it, you can choose the stroke outer. You can click it to be create the outline. So you can change for width at this option, or you can set for the anti-alias at this point. And this is for the outline color. You can set like into this color. And if you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Pen X tutorial, how to outline. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.